The Apple Watch Ultra 2, launched in September 2023, marks a significant milestone in the Apple Watch series. This second-generation smartwatch is a testament to innovative design and cutting-edge technology. With a multitude of exciting features and upgrades, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is poised to redefine the wearable tech landscape. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 introduces a brighter display, enhanced flashlight feature, and precision finding capability. These advancements cater to the diverse needs of users, from outdoor enthusiasts to those seeking a reliable smartwatch for daily use. With its titanium case, sapphire crystal display, and S9 chip, this device seamlessly blends durability, performance, and style. As we delve into the Apple Watch Ultra 2's features and capabilities, it becomes clear that this smartwatch is a game-changer in the world of wearable technology. Brighter display and flashlight feature. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 radiates brilliance, surpassing its predecessor in both figurative and literal senses. The enhanced display boasts heightened visibility, making it easier to navigate through various settings. The novel flashlight feature is a groundbreaking innovation, illuminating paths with unparalleled brightness. Engineered for optimal outdoor visibility, this feature is tailor-made for adventure seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. Whether hiking, camping, or simply navigating through dimly lit environments, the Apple Watch Ultra 2's flashlight feature serves as a reliable companion, shining brighter and farther than before. This thoughtful design upgrade ensures users can explore with confidence, unencumbered by darkness or uncertainty. Precision finding and double-tap features. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 revolutionizes connectivity and convenience with two groundbreaking features: precision finding and double-tap functionality. Precision finding empowers users to pinpoint their iPhone's location with unprecedented accuracy, eliminating the frustration of misplaced devices. This innovative feature leverages advanced technology to provide exacting proximity detection, guiding users to their iPhones with ease. The double-tap feature further streamlines the user experience, allowing effortless navigation of crucial functions. With a simple double-tap gesture, users can swiftly answer incoming phone calls or silence alarms, ensuring seamless communication and uninterrupted focus. This intuitive design simplifies daily interactions, making it easier to manage notifications and stay connected. By integrating these features, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 redefines the boundaries of smartwatch functionality, delivering a more personalized and efficient user experience. Durability and performance. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 boasts a robust construction, featuring a durable titanium case and scratch-resistant sapphire crystal display. This meticulous design ensures the smartwatch can withstand the rigors of daily wear and tear, maintaining its sleek appearance and functionality over time. Powering the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is the cutting-edge S9 chip, delivering seamless performance and rapid responses. This advanced processor enables effortless navigation, fluid app transitions, and efficient handling of demanding tasks. Furthermore, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 offers an impressive battery life of up to 36 hours on a single charge, with an extended 72 hours in low-power mode. This allows users to enjoy uninterrupted functionality, track fitness goals, receive notifications, and access essential features without worrying about running out of power. Whether tackling daily routines or embarking on extended adventures, the Apple Watch Ultra 2's reliable battery life keeps pace with users' active lifestyles. watchOS 9 and future rumors. Running on watchOS 9, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 benefits from a range of new features and improvements. As we look to the future, rumors of the Apple Watch Ultra 3 have already started circulating. Will it bring even more groundbreaking innovations? Only time will tell. In conclusion, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is a powerhouse of innovation, offering a perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or simply looking for a reliable smartwatch, this device is sure to impress. Stay tuned for more updates on the Apple Watch Ultra series.